How's it going, guys? It's the Crypto Oracle, and today we're doing a review of the TREZOR hardware wallet for Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, everything like that. This is going to be an actual serious review. If you saw the Nano S review, you'd know that was just me messing around, but I thought I'd actually do a TREZOR review and opening and such. So, and then I'm going to do a real comparison of the two because I have set up my ledger, thrown some coins on it, and gone through the setup process. I'm going to do that on this, and then I'm going to make a video where I compare the two. So let's go ahead and get started. It's covered in plastic, so I got to open her up. I don't really care if I split it. Just the packaging. It cost me $230 on Amazon. So if you want to get one of your own for all your ERC20 tokens safekeeping, I'll have a link to the to where you can buy it on Amazon safely. Is it glued shut? It might be glued shut. Yeah, geez. Let me get through this safety lock. So far, pretty difficult to open if you actually want to keep it intact. But I don't really care about the packaging, so because I don't plan on returning it. So I do plan on using this for my ERC20 tokens. So, you know. All right, let's get all this stuff out. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I expected. That is first impression, a lot smaller than expected. Let's get some of this trash out of the way. We got some stickers, it looks like. So yeah, TREZOR stickers, whatever. If you want to, you know, put these on your car, let people know that you're a big Bitcoin badass. Let them know. We got an actual, another little keychain slash lanyard slash pinky strap. You want to throw that on your pinky. And then we have the TREZOR itself. Damn, this thing is tiny. Look at that. That is about the size of your thumb, or a fat guy's thumb. So, wow. Compared to the ledger, I know this isn't the versus review, or this isn't the comparison, but you can see it's about as small as a USB stick. So yeah, and then a little short USB to micro or mini USB plugs in right in the bottom there. That's what it looks like. Let's take this plastic off so you can see it better. Just a little sticker, protective. It looks like it's got two buttons and then a little LCD screen or LED screen. I forgot the difference. And then it says TREZOR on the top. Not too much there. Let's look through these instructions. It looks like we've got, wow, some white stickers. So you got the white stickers and the black stickers. Make a race joke about that. Let's see. User manual. You just connect it to your PC. Open trezor.io/start. Follow the instructions to set it up. And then blah, 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 blah. It's got a warranty, setup instructions, recovery seed. Yeah, so it's got two little pamphlets where you can write your recovery seed on, aka your 24 word phrase that's unique to the TREZOR that you buy or the ledger that you buy. This is basically just going to keep your backup safe on you know, a physical piece of paper similar to the ledger. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and transfer some ERC20 tokens, and then I will start recording again. I will probably, actually no, I'll show you guys what it's like to set it up real quick. So let's flip over there. So here we are on the computer, and what are we going to do first? So first we're going to plug the TREZOR in. I've got a little USB hub up here, so I'm going to plug it right in. I don't think it has to be USB 3.0. I think it's fine on 2.0. Something like this where it's not really transferring much information at all. It's pretty much just transferring an API, or not an API, a key. It's just transferring a key. You're good. Man, I wish I had a longer thing for that, but that's okay. So it says, welcome, please visit trezor.io/start. So can I get this in front of the camera? Is it going to show it? Nope, because webcams are horrible at recording stuff. So let's get some of this stuff out of the way. These useless stickers. If you want these stickers, send me a PM. I will send them to you. Not really. I'm not gonna. That's too much time just to send somebody stickers. So let's get started on TREZOR.com or .io. Start. So here we have, thank you for buying it, blah, blah, blah. PIN protects your Trezor from unauthorized access. Use at least 4 different numbers. You will now enter your PIN twice. So let's set up our PIN. All right, so I watched the video real quick, and pretty much you got to go up here to wallet and click on wallet. So I have wallet open, and so all you got to do is install this extension real quick for Chrome. Although I'm pretty sure you can, just install the app if you don't have Chrome. So here we have it. We have the Ledger wallet and the Bitcoin Ledger wallet and the Ethereum Ledger wallet, which I already downloaded. But let's go ahead and click on the Trezor one, and let's get this over. It says now it supports DGB, Mona, Ubic, native SegWit, bit 44, bit 49, NEM. So yeah, sure, might as well update the firmware, get this going. It just shows it erasing and installing on the Trezor itself. I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically it's just got, wow, I'm not going to be able to show you guys the screen at all, but just because it's so blurry. New firmware, you may now unplug your Trezor. So unplug it. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just kind of doing this step by step. Hopefully this will help you guys out if you guys run into the same problems as I. So device label, my Trezor. Maybe my Trezor crypto, Oracle, Trezor. Sorry for the loud typing. I know you guys hate that. Blah, 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 continue. Please enter a PIN. So here's what it's gonna do now. Like on my Trezor, it's showing me a screen with 9 squares and 9 different numbers. So imagine like the keypad on a phone, but instead it's the numbers are all jumbled up. So I'm going to go ahead and write my PIN down. Well, I'm going to create a PIN and I'm going to write it down on this little recovery thing, and then I'll take this to my safe, which is at a undisclosed location. So let's go make a random PIN. I always recommend not using a PIN that you already use for something else. Try to use just like a completely new random PIN for each new device and just write it down. That's going to be a lot safer than using a PIN that you use for other stuff like your debit card and stuff, because if that gets compromised, somebody happens to get your hands on your other stuff, they can just, they're automatically just going to try the same PIN. So let's try I think the longest I can do is like an 8-digit. So just make an 8-digit. And then let's go ahead and type it in. So I've got to look at the Trezor screen and click on the box for the numbers that I have. I know that's kind of confusing. You might have to watch the little video they give you. Well, I guess this video is turning into a how to set up your Trezor rather than an opening. But that's okay. Hopefully it helps some people out. Okay, so you can't use zeros. Let's cross these out. I'm gonna use some zeros. Replace these with some other numbers. All right, we got and blah, and then blah, and blah, and blah. So there we go. We got a full 8-digit PIN, and then it jumbled up the numbers again on the Trezor. And I'm gonna have to type the PIN again in the same PIN. You're just confirming it, but the numbers are in different spots compared to where they were before. This is a little bit confusing, but that's okay. It's gonna keep your Bitcoin safe and your ERC20 tokens safe. There we go. Now it's gonna show all the different words. It's going to show your recovery phrase, so that you're going to want to write that on your little recovery seed sheet. I had to do this for the ledger too, so it takes a while, so I'm going to pause, write them all down, I'm not going to show you guys my words because then you can access my wallet, and I don't want that to happen. So just follow what I'm doing. It's pretty much going to give you a big list of words. It's going to show you each, like, all 24 words. Just write them down here, all 24, and then it's probably going to ask me to confirm them, just, you know, for safety. So here we go. So I just double checked that I've written all the words down correctly. It asks you to confirm all the words. It makes you go through all 24 again, and then we're going to click finish. And here we go. So we've got our PIN enabled. Here we have our Trezor management set up. This is just kind of your settings. It has the label and your PIN. And then let's see the advanced settings. Firmware, passphrase. It's just for multiple wallets. PIN, wipe device. Let's go to the wallet. And you can see it loading up here. Cool. So here we have Bitcoin, it looks like, but we can go to, it's loading your, okay, so here's my Bitcoin account. You can see I have 0 Bitcoin in it, obviously, no transactions yet, and it's just going to act like a regular wallet. So you can receive if you want to show or send, if you want to receive Bitcoin, click show address, and you can create another one. If you want to send it, you can send it to an address, use the amount. Cool, so you can make it to where it goes nice and slow or quite fast if you want, which is always good. Sign and verify, don't want to see that. Lock device, so it'll automatically lock again in 10 minutes if I don't, I guess, you know, enter my passcode again. Look at an icon in the receive tab, cool. Connect to Dropbox. All right, let's go to Dash and see what that one looks like. Cool, so same deal. It's got 2-factor authentication, awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually send some Ethereum tokens, some ERC20 tokens to this, because that's mainly what I'm using this Trezor for, is to store some of my ERC20 tokens. You know, things like BAT, OMG, Fun, stuff like that. So all that, those cool tokens that I've been talking about recently. So I'm gonna send some over to my Trezor, see how it works out, and show you guys how that looks. So let's go. All right, so here we are on my Ether wallet. As you can see, I'm just on the send transaction tab or send tokens tab, and I'm gonna click on Trezor. So I'm gonna go ahead and click to connect to Trezor, and this is gonna open up a little window. Export public key for Ether account 1, sure. Okay. Okay, that's fine, it's Trezor. For Ethereum, as you can see, if you want to use your ledger for Ethereum, or your ledger for ETC, or your Trezor for Ethereum Classic, you have to connect these other ones. So let's see. Your address. So just the first one. Then we're going to go ahead and unlock it again. So it's been successfully decrypted because my Trezor is attached to it. And you can see I don't have any tokens on it because, you know, I just bought it, just set it up. I'm going to go ahead and send some tokens to it, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. So cool. Okay, cool. So I just sent it over. I sent over 99.99 HMQ because that was or human IQ, because that was a random balance that I had in my wallet. Well, actually, I wanted to send 100, but I just sent 99.99. And so we can see down here on our token balances, which is kind of behind my head, so I'm going to scroll up. We have 99.99 HMQ, and that is on our Trezor. So awesome. That is done. That was pretty easy. It was a little bit more complicated than just sending to the ledger, but that makes sense because you're using my Ether wallet for these ERC20 tokens. Obviously, just sending, you know, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Bitcoin or Ethereum, or like Ripple from Coinbase to a ledger is going to be a little bit easier, just because it's like one click, while here you have to get your account address and send it to here. So that is all I have to say about the Trezor. So far, not bad at all. Definitely gonna send some ERC20 tokens to hold over onto it. I don't know if I'm gonna send all of them, but you know, maybe I'll try it and just see what it's like. clicking the buttons on the Trezor doesn't really do anything. There's basically, like, there's not as much display information, and there's not as much interaction with the Trezor itself as opposed to the ledger. So, is that a good thing or a bad thing? That depends on what you feel like. I mean, it is pretty cool to kind of see your stuff on the Nano, but you know, not too important in terms of actual storage. It's not going to make a difference. So that was my review of the Trezor. If you want to buy one, I'll have a link to it on Amazon, a safe link in the description. So check that out. Here, let me go back to the Twitter. Make sure to follow at Oracle of Crypto on Twitter. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel that you're watching right now. Make sure to, sorry, let me get in the center of the frame. Make sure to check out Blockchain Education, which will be the first link in the description. That is our exclusive trading group. It's a completely private trading group, and it depends when you're watching this. If you're watching this video before January 1st, you are in luck because you can get in very, very cheap for $99 a month. But if you're getting in after, you're going to be paying full price. But there should be a discount code soon, so you won't have to pay like full price. You can probably pay like 40% off. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you, if you're watching this before December 1st, January 18, then you're in luck because you can get in really cheap. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay our updated price afterwards. But, you know, still a great value. You're still going to make your money back. Check out my video that I'll be uploading on January 1st, which is the brand new sales video, Tai Lopez style. I'm going to be spreading that around, so that'll be fun. Did a video with the new G-Wagon, so lots of fun there. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to check everything out. Check out all the links in the description. And good luck trading this week. Look out for that video where I compare the Ledger and the Trezor. That'll be a little bit more detailed, less of, you know, unboxing and just setting things up. It'll actually be comparing the usage of the two and the pricing and such. So thanks again for watching. This has been the Crypto Oracle.